Okay, it is 6:17 in the morning, and it snowed a little bit, not a lot. I think most of it missed us, hopefully, but we're about to get our arses on the road here. Get into Minot to get some fuel, and then go from there. Hopefully get the part of this load off today. Okay, brakes work. Now I gotta find out where the driveway is. That's where that stop sign is. I think I slipped on a patch of ice when I got out of the truck, or when I was walking back from the truck from Subway there, and kind of hurt my friggin' hip. Lots of cars coming. I can't go. Lots of cars coming. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if you can tell, but the wind's blowing. I'm gonna say that's an east wind, it looks like. Hard to tell. But she's blowing. She's only minus 5 degrees Celsius. I'll put the temp up here. truck stop last night, and not bad. The train does go by and blow his horn. I would say every few hours. I'm lucky where I live. We live close to a train crossing as well. We're still far enough away that we don't really hear it loudly, but it's made us immune to it. We don't really notice the train go by. It's actually funny, because we're probably, I would say, half a mile away from the train. fuel island. I already fueled. I just figured I'd show you guys what we've got. So this is the tarp job. That's the company flatbed. Just coming around, make sure my tail. Oh, I turned my headlights off. They wired up that one to that. Yeah, my park lights are off right now. See? That's off. My headache rack. My truck. There you guys go. Alright, I'm gonna go and get my receipt and get on the road. Alright, guys and girls. We are full of fuel or full of death. I showed you the tour, quick rundown of what our load looked like under the tarps. That headlight is still not cooperating. I've tried beating on the headlight lens, so I think it might actually shit the bed. Which I'll have to get it because it was working yesterday. And all you guys on the comments will be like, that's what they always say. Well, it was working yesterday, I know that. It might automatically kick back on itself. I don't know. It wouldn't hurt myself if I have to replace it. I just wish not right now. Because again, not in the best situation at the moment after spending 10 grand on a transmission. Well, it's like 97 on it, but still. Any of you guys want to be an owner-operator or thinking about becoming an owner-operator, my transmission is an 18-speed manual transmission. And it's the cheaper one to fix. So if you buy an automatic and you have issues with it, just remember, it's gonna be expensive. Anyways, I gotta see. I can still kind of see, so good. I'm not gonna drive with my high beams on for obvious reasons right now. probably going to watch the roads go from this, which is decent, to absolute trash, because one thing I've learned over the years is Western Canada don't know how to plow or maintain roads.
Duty-free. He's pulling into the duty-free, boy.
Well, I'm going to say we're in for a bit of a crappy ride up to Regina. Because behind us, I can see the sunrise. In front of us, I see cloudy stuff. Cloudy stuff. This tanker. Where's she going? Hello.
How are you today?
Not bad, considering.
Considering what? The weather?
Yeah.
Fair enough. Where do you live?
Ontario.
And how long were you down in the United States?
2 or 3 days.
2 or 3 days. How many pickups?
1 pickup, but 3 drops.
What is the load?
They're electrical cabinets.
Okay, and where are they all going to?
Regina, Calgary, and Edmonton.
Alrighty. While you're down in the United States, did you purchase or receive anything?
No.
Nothing new coming home with you today?
No.
Any alcohol or tobacco?
No.
Any cannabis or marijuana?
No.
Guns or weapons?
No.
Anything from the Canadian duty free or American duty free?
No.
Okay. Do you cross here often?
Not as much as normal, because a lot of my stuff I cross in Ontario.
Yeah.
But then I'll come back up this way and then head back down and then go back. So I kind of do a big rounder.
Fair enough. Kind of just in circles. Big country circles.
Big country circles, exactly.
All right. You have a good day, okay?
Perfect, you too.
Drive safe.
Thank you.
Just so you are aware, there was an accident up on this road like not too long ago. I don't know if they got it cleared up. A truck hit a semi or something like that. Or a car hit a semi. So just keep your eyes open.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. I'm just going to pull up here. And I actually got to do my logbook. I'm going to switch over to Canadian rules.
After 1,000 feet.
Thanks, Kevin. After 1,000 feet, what? second, go here. Nobody coming. Kilometers away from our destination. I'm not looking forward to this. If the winds are like this, it is going to be fun trying to fool my tires. But here we go, guys. We're back in Canada. Oh, we just stopped in Weyburn, Saskatchewan here. I gotta pee and I'm hungry. This is where everybody parks. And you walk up, get a coffee and whatever. But yeah, it is fucking freezing. So I'm gonna let you go. Alright. Okay. That is cold out there, guys. It's minus 11, but with the 11 degrees Celsius, and with the wind chill, it feels like minus like 20. Yeah. Alright. Back to that. Put my high definition goggles on. And let's go. This oversized guy, he just came rolling through here, and we're gonna be able to clean his tail lights. Guess we'll find out. Well, I just watched him in my mirror across the street and go into Timmy's, so I don't know. Oh, this is getting if I don't. Good old. Oh, come on. Come on. I knew that was going to happen. That road is very slick. We made her. We made her, Alright, sorry guys, I don't know where I come up with some of these things. We want to go left. I just kind of want to sit like this. I can't. Is that a car coming? Goddamn roundabouts. I hate them. Straight through. Guess whose lane is it anyways? To get off of this, it should be fine. Coal yard, logistics yard to the left. To say I'm not delivering poles, so I don't want to go over there. I think I just went in. I think I screwed this up.
to see me. Woo. Yes, you are.
Yep.
I got 4 pieces for you from S&C. Yeah, to at least fold my tarps, yeah.
What do you want to do? Off the bay or just
I could do it if you don't mind taking everything off in the bay, that works. Alright, which door is it? Which door? Oh, along here? Okay. Yep. Yeah, I called these guys earlier because of the high winds and everything like that. I did not want to pull my tarps off and have them blow away on me because the wind is awfully strong here. So he's going to let me untarp in the bay. That way I can fold my tarps. Maybe they can thaw out a little. See what bay's gonna open up. Hopefully it's one of the further ones. There's a big snowbank to my right. Middle, not back. So this one, it doesn't matter which way I roll up. But these ones I roll up so that the flaps are the very edge of the tarp. So like that. That edge of the tarp. Well, ladies and gents, we are leaving Regina and on our way to Calgary to get this off. The next piece off, I should say. I'm going to leave keep the black side up or down. Black side down, not up. Is this the road I want? I mean, sure. We'll go with that. Yeah, then we'll catch you on the next video here. Alright. Please like, comment, subscribe. The more you guys interact, the more it lets me know you guys are liking my content. And if there's something you guys want to see, let me know. But for now, peace.